My name is Rahul Prajapati. I work as an automation engineer at Terumo Pharmaceutical Solutions, Germany. Terumo is a medical device company originating from Japan. At Terumo, we pursue reliable quality and technology that helps patients and contributing to the healthcare. We not only solve patients' problem physically, but we also do it mentally, providing and contributing to the healthcare system for around 100 years. At Terumo, we operate globally, and Terumo associates are located around the globe and solving the challenges across the globe. Well, talking about the flagship project, Terumo Pharmaceuticals acquired a CDMO plant at Leverkusen. This strengthens our global footprint at CDMO businesses, also enabling us to work for the clients in US as well as in Europe, providing the fill finish services across the US and Europe regions. Biggest barriers in digitalization adoption, I would say first is legacy systems and integration. I think there are still plants and industry which runs on older not the modern platforms. So those plants find still the difficulty to integrate into the modern digital platforms. So that is the one challenge which the modern industry has to overcome. The second, I would say, is the data security, because we are talking about AI and digitalization. So where more data are generated, and cybersecurity is the one reason where we have to focus on and to focus on to rely on the data of the patients, because those data are very critical. So these two are the biggest barriers, I would think, in the digitalization for adoption in pharmaceutical. There are many technological leaders across the globe who are providing the cutting-edge pharmaceutical automation and digitalization services, but for them, they lack an ecosystem and networking platform. So I think AUTOMA is the one which is providing that platform for them to connect with the end user and try to understand their challenges. So AUTOMA is contributing in how they are providing a platform where they are bringing the world-class leader on the single platform, understanding and discussing the current challenges and bring up the solution for the future. So that is how I think AUTOMA is contributing to the pharmaceutical automation and digitalization in future. At first, when I received the format for the AUTOMA session, I saw there were sessions from the industry leaders, the global leaders who are talking about the automation solutions, not only the AI-driven manufacturing, but they are also focusing on the smart factory solutions. About my personal manager, she was always there in contact. We had a call before the session that made the integration very easy. The application which AUTOMA provided is very easy, and where we can share the contact details with the suppliers and the service providers. So that is a platform where, even if you miss, and if you can also arrange the sessions with the service providers. So that's very helpful. I would say the initial beginning was very good, where the industry leaders from across the pharmaceutical companies were discussing about the AI solutions. And the first morning session was very helpful to provide the sites, like how the 2 days will work on, like how we will talk about the different AI solutions and its integration into the pharmaceutical companies. The second thing which I liked the most was the digital workshop after the lunch. It was very helpful, where the people had an open platform to discuss about the integration of the AI solutions to the pharmaceuticals. This helps, because the leaders from across the company, they come together, and then we realize that we are talking about the same challenges, and then at the end we go out with a solution. So that is why I was motivated to attend AUTOMA 25, and I will be looking forward next year also.